Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can add page transition by using Elementor. So let me show the demonstration what we are going to make in this video. So you can see that this is my home page, and when I click on the about page, you can see that we have this animation transition between the pages. So I will show you how to add this type of animation, cool animation transition, which comes when you change the page in your Elementor website. Okay, so you can see that this cool animation is coming when I changing the page, and if I go back to the home page, again this page transition will come between the pages. Okay, so we're gonna make this by using the Elementor. So let's get started. So you can see that I have this website and where I don't have any page animation transition between it. So if I go to the home page, you can see that I don't have any animation, and if I go again to the about page, I don't have any animation transition here. Okay, so we're gonna add the animation transition to this. Okay, so for adding this we have to just go to our dashboard. So just open your dashboard, and for this the plugins which are required is the Elementor and the Elementor Pro. This feature is not available in the free version of the Elementor, so you should have the Elementor Pro. Okay, and after that what we have to do, we have to go to the Elementor settings, and in the Elementor settings go to the features option, and here you have to activate a feature of the Elementor which is the page transition. So right now it is in the default version, just active this. Okay, so if you have the older version you have to activate it, but in the latest version it is pre-activated, so just you have to make it active and save the changes. Okay, so after that you have to just you have to just add your pages here. Okay, so after that you have to just open your page with Elementor like this. Okay, so let's wait for it to open. Okay, so as you can see that our page is loaded, and and for that you have to just go to here. Okay, these dots or the lines or the bars, and from here you have to go to the site settings. Just open the site settings from here, and from here you will get a option below here. In this you can see that you have the option to change the background color. So just go here and you can select whatever color you want. So inside this you will see that there is an option for the preloader. Just open this, and here you can add so many animations and the icons and the image, but we're gonna add the animation. So you can see that right now I have the bouncing dots, so sometime it is not visible here, so just you have to activate here, and let me change the color of this. Okay, so it is there, but sometime it is not visible due to some network issue. So let me choose the this one spinner option, and let's activate this. Let's update this. Okay, so it is updated. Now let's go to our website and open the home page, and after that you can see that if I go to the about page, you can see that we have this animation here, which is coming. Okay, so to see here, you have to just reload this page. So you can see that it is loaded. So let's go to the page, and from here you can see that it is coming here. Just you have to go to the preloader, and from here go to anyone, like if I choose the pulse option. So you can see that we have the pulse option, and you can just from here you can increase its size like that, and let's add some different. If I want this nested spinner is looking good, so let me choose the nested spinner, and from here I will decrease the size. Okay, so let's update it, and if you want to make it black or something red, you can change it from here. Okay, suppose I want to make it red like this or some more color, and if you want to change the bg color of this, you have to just go to this above, and here you can also add the gradient color and some more colors. So let's make it blackish one little, this matte color black, and let's update, and let's refresh this one more time. So let's go to our home page again. So here you can see that we have this cool animation coming between the pages. So in this way you can add so many animation. There are so many animations like this, and suppose if I want to add the pulsing dot animation which I had in my old website, and from here I can decrease the size of this, and let me choose the reddish color or let's choose the yellow color. Okay, like that. And let's update it one more time. And let's refresh this, and I think you can add here the icon and the images option are also there, but the animation is looking good. Okay, so let me go to the about page. So here you can see that the animations are coming now. Okay, so in this way you can add some cool transition between your Elementor website. Okay, so if you like our video, please subscribe to our channel, like and share our videos with your friends, and I'm gonna see you next time.